Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare gabbia vodi or banana stem fryams. Now gabbia vodi is a type of fryams prepared from banana stem, and in Konkani gabbo means banana stem. It is called as vazhappindi in Malayalam. This vodi can be had along with rice as a replacement for papad. During rainy season, preparing and drying of papad is difficult. So such vodis are prepared and kept summer season and used in the rainy season. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup urad dal, 1 cup finely chopped banana stem, 3 to 4 green chilies or as per your spiciness level, half teaspoon asafoetida or hing powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, and salt to taste. Cut the banana stem into thin round pieces. While cutting, the fibers will be jutting out, and these you have to roll and take on your index finger and discard them later. Now chop the banana stem into small pieces and keep aside. Now coming to preparing the urad dal batter. Wash and soak the urad dal for 2 to 3 hours. Drain away all the water from the soaked urad dal. Grind urad dal to a fine and thick batter in a grinder. See that you have to add very less water for grinding. If you add too much water, the batter will become of flowing consistency. Remember that your banana stem also has water content. So when you spread your vodi on the plastic sheet or aluminium foil, it will start flowing. And we do not want all that to happen. So when you spread the vodi, it should remain on the same place where you have placed it and not run about all over. So be careful when you are adding water while grinding. Now transfer the batter to a container, add cumin seeds, sliced green chilies, salt, banana stem pieces, asafoetida into the Mix the batter well. Take a clean plastic sheet or aluminium foil. Smear oil all over the sheet. Place the plastic sheet on a big plate or even a winnow. Take a small blob of batter with your hand and place it on the plastic sheet or aluminium foil. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the batter. See that you have to leave a small space between each blob. After spreading all the batter, dry it in the sun for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, you will see that the vodi will just come off the plastic sheet or aluminium foil very fast. Spread these vodis on a plate and again dry them in the sun till all the moisture has gone off, and once done, store the vodis in an airtight container. Fry the vodis in oil as and when required. Shelf life is 5 to 6 months. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.